Hello and welcome to WannaGoBiking and welcome to day 5, or actually day 4 plus from our epic bikepacking trip along the Ems River. So we're just going to mount the 6k that it takes to get to the source of the Ems, and I'll make our way to Bielefeld, and that should be that. So yeah, hopefully we can show you what the source looks like. Alright, los geht's. Emsquellen. Okay. So this is it. This is the whole route. I'm not sure if we did the 385k, but 350, something like that maybe. So another 800 meters and then we get to the source. See you there. So, let's see if we can actually see the source. Not sure if you can hear it, but there's actually some live shooting here, as we're very close to the shooting range. It's a very large military terrain called Senna. Alright, here is a little bit of a stream. Well, I would say in conclusion, it was a fabulous little ride. Only 4 days of bikepacking, but yeah, full of beautiful little towns and lovely nature, quite rural and quiet. Also because it was a long holiday here in Germany, so I guess that helps in terms of traffic. But the only thing that really strikes me as odd is that I think we only saw one, and I really mean one, signpost of the Ems route. That is to say, there were quite a few posts with numbers. I have no idea what significance they had, but no directions. Never a turn left, right, straight ahead. No clue. So if you have no GPS unit, then you're pretty much lost. So maybe I can find out why that was. But well, anyways, I hope you like this little series. If so, give some thumbs up if you can. And until the next one, enjoy your rides and stay safe out there. See ya. Cheers. So this road here belongs to the Senna military terrain, very close to the natural source of the Ems. Well, not sure if there's any significance in that, but yeah. Well, this is a first for me. Apparently you can wash your bike here. How cool. Let's check it out. Scannen.